Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can change the page orientation from landscape to portrait and vice versa here in Microsoft Word using a simple trick and without accessing any of the sophisticated settings or menus here on Microsoft Word. So let us get started right away, guys. Basically, all you will need to do is simply switch from the Home tab to the Layout tab here in your Microsoft Word document. Let's say, for example, for that page here. And click on orientation here top left under page setup, and from that menu below select your preferred orientation. Currently it is on portrait, but I may switch, for example, from portrait to landscape, and there you go. As you can see, the new orientation has been applied to the entire document just like that. So as you can see, super simple, guys. That's how you do it. You may also reverse that by clicking on orientation here and by changing to portrait again. And that's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we see you next time on our channel.